Hello, dear friend. Welcome to another new wallet as a Quantum Wallet airdrop. And you can see as a brand new platform that integrates digital asset management, payment, and smart financial planning, fostering the deep integration of cryptocurrencies with the traditional economy and jointly use sharing in a new era of finance. Now, dear friend, how you download as a Quantum Wallet application. This application available for Android users and iOS user. You can download on Play Store and you can download locally Android app. I give you link description. You can download. Just click on this button and easily you download. So dear friend, I download this application. Now different, I click just this button and you can see this application download. So we are look as a website, and this is a video about the quantum wallet project you must watch. Now different, we are introduction about as a quantum wallet. You can see quantum wallet is a globally accessible digital asset storage platform dedicated to provide users with secure and convenient management of encrypted digital assets. The platform has a support multiple blockchain as a technology meetings users need for storing and transacting with as various cryptocurrencies through innovative as a blockchain technology. Quantum wallets aim to build a comprehensive digital asset service ecosystem, enabling user to enjoy a more efficient and secure as a payment experience. Now dear friend, this is the introduction about as a quantum wallet, and you can see at a smart quantum quantification service as a service and issue. It says a proprietary cryptocurrency at your token within the platform as a part of a reward as a mechanism at you users as a promote development at your token, and more information you can see as a supporter of the platform, and token as a serve as a stake participate and initially support online and offline payments. Now dear friend, we discuss about product structure as a client. The client provide as a user friendly application, and for this application both iOS and Android member, ensuring as a smooth experience. So dear friend, as a timely as a support assistance and enhancing overall user as a satisfied. So dear friend, you can see this is a client API supports TCP and HTTP protocols. And now different interface layer as a protection safeguard connection might get attacks by consolidating many connection into efficient TCP links. Logic layer as a core logic layer handle as a system core functionalities and such as a private message announcement and information push to ensure as a timely message delivery and enhance as a user experience. Storage layer, you can see data storage and caching stores users still messaging data and related information using the efficient protocol buffer format and database. Now different, this is the ATS core technology. You can see system encrypts high performance intelligent trading boards that track market data across global trading platform in a real time, analyze trend and using other big data execute arbitrage and strategies and maximize as a returns. Now dear friend, this is illusion about the application. Number one, you can see smart trading bot and big data analyze. Number second is spread capture and smart arbitrage. Number three is real-time decision making, flexible trading, and number four as a share profit mechanism. Now dear friend, we discuss about how Ariel Smart as a quantification work. Quantum wallet purpose as a blockchain based distributed algorithm pool to build a smart quantification ecological community that attracts global developer and users. Now dear friend, this is an open algorithm as a community. You can see as a create a platform distributed algorithm pool supporting algorithm development testing and allowing users to optimize their trading strategies and enhance more as a intelligence about quantitative as a trading. Now define efficient quantitative trading protocol as a high frequency trading and protocol. You can see with exchange supporting and fast and secure and automatic as a trading. This is a Docker container support and system achieve as a algorithm runtime as a environment supporting and complex arbitrage algorithms such as you can see enhance compatibility and fancy. Now different on-chain and off-chain storage solution, and this is a metadata is stored on-chain while execute file are stored off-chain. Adapting and more information encourage rules to ensure has a secure and accurate user authentication. This is a roadmap about technology, and between 2024 to 2025 as a global node of Quantum Wallet USA wallet support edu token on BNB and Tron network. Quantum Wallet testing open, and this is a question number 1 2025. Quantum Wallet is officially open to global user at your token list on DEX as a global operation and incentive as a promotion. Now different we discuss about question number 2 as a 2025. Now, everyone, you can see Quantum Wallet ecosystem as a construction begin creating a community wallet support at your token on BNB and Tron network at your token list on CEX exchange, and number 3 custom active as membership reach 3 million people, launch as a proprietary blockchain testnet, expand ecosystem interface for broader other applications. Now, reference, this is the last question about 2025 at your token list on as a three major CEX exchanges. Membership reaches as a 10 million users, providing user value as a growth. Now different between 2026 to 2027 as a mainnet launch as a building 100 plus ecosystem applications provide goods the information and service to end customers global charitability. Okay, different charitability and activities. Now different between the 2027 to 2028 as a creative 1000 to multiply value as a growth for users and become a mainstream global as a public blockchain. Now dear friend, this is a 2029 to 2000 as a 35 as a develop a hybrid REX and a CEX system hi-fi as a hybrid finance and train a 100 billion parameters neural and network AI smart trading model achieve as a 30 multiply annual as a growth in user asset value. Now, dear friend, this is tokenomic, and you can see as the airdrop and a market conception and development ATS charity and common. Now, dear friend, total as a supply 5 billion ATU tokens and 60% allocated for airdrop and 8% ATS as a revenue distribution and 2% charity and 2% as a community promotion. And now different, this is 5% as a quantum developers and technical team, and 23% as a market and payment and liquidity as the operations. Now different quantum wallet as a ecosystem tightly as a content developer as a resource provider and ardent user, and more information as a growth of digital asset through collaboration and promotion application. Now reference, this is a contact us Twitter, Telegram, YouTube, and this is a email. Now different, I open as a Telegram group and see you information about as a group. Now different, this is a quantum wallet as a group. You can see member about 42,000 and 400 people as a online, and this is a information about as a airdrop, so must you join this group, and I already joined. Now dear friend, we are installed as a quantum application. I'll give you more information how you make your account on quantum as a wallet. So dear friend, I installed my application, and now I open my app and see you how you make your account on quantum wallet. You can see this is a two button, create wallet or import wallet, and first of all you click as a tick mark this, and then you click on as a create wallet. Now different, I create, and you can see this is a set as a pin code as this password for use your identity verification. So this is secure your account, and I am enter this key and confirm pin code. Please enter pin code again, and to confirm for this, so I again as a type my same as a pin code. Now different I again type, and this is a many moke as a phrase in the key to your as a wallet. So tick mark all this, and you as a generate your key. So different I generate my key, and you can copy your key, and I copy, and you then as a tick mark all as a, and then you click on next button, and you copy your key, and now enter as a number 9 key, and 3 and 7 as a phrase. So dear friend, I tick as a tick mark like number 9 key as a phrase, as a word. So I make account and see you fill this all as a number 9, number 3, number 7, and now we are click on the next button, and you can see my wallet is created successfully, and you can change your address about as a BNB, and I change, and you can see dear friend. So I tick mark this, and you can see as a BNB, and this is the ATU token as a quantum wallet token, and this SATU token. And more information this application you can see, invite your friend as a P2P option, and receive and transfer your payment. So dear friend, if you invite your friend, you earn as a SATU token. So kindly share your link, friends, and invite as friend, and earn as a SATU tokens. So dear friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and click the bell notification for more latest videos. Thank you.